Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal card that would be declined error. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically for this video, we're just going to follow these instructions on uh, this PayPal support article. And basically those are some reasons why the PayPal debit card could be declined. The first one, you have money in your PayPal balance. And basically, the PayPal debit card allow you to access the money available in your PayPal balance. And you can find your PayPal balance from here, and you can see it from your wallet or your home summary. And basically, if the payments decline and you don't have money in your PayPal account, try adding just some money from your bank. That means you will be needing just to send some money or just request or whatever. So basically, you will need just to transfer some funds to your PayPal balance, and basically, that might solve your problem. Another reason could be your physical card is uh, inactive, and basically, you will be needing to active your new card and you can do that just from here. You can go to the wallet and basically you can simply find your cards there and you can activate it. Otherwise, your card details are current and you will need just to make sure that your card isn't expired or closed and that the billing address uh, is the same or matches your current address or your real address. And basically if there was some problem within this information, that would be a reason why your PayPal card could be declined. Another thing is that your PIN is incorrect. Make sure that you remember your PIN and that the PIN is correct whenever you are doing some payments or purchases within this card. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.